Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your Motorola Signature. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust your brightness in the settings. So go over to settings and then scroll down to display. After that, you will have a brightness level here. Just click on it, and here you'll have a slider that you will be able to adjust the brightness with. Now, make sure that you disable the adaptive brightness, because of course it adapts the brightness to your environment, and we definitely do not want that, because sometimes it's just lower and sometimes it's just so high. And yes, that's why we disable it, to make sure that this is not an issue. After that, what are we going to do is we're going to download the screen dimming app. So we want to go over to the Play Store and search for Screen Dimmer OLED Saver. So let's click it. Now this is the first app right here. It has 100k plus downloads and 4.4 star review. So we're gonna go over and press install. It's only 1.5 megabytes, so the install is instant. Now we want to click open, and here grant permissions. The first one to modify the system settings. Now the accessibility, because whenever you change the overlay or just rotate your screen, it also has to update. So press here and click on allow. Now after that, the last one is to grant permission to send us notifications. And the notifications, let me show you where they are. Basically, here we have it. We can adjust the brightness. Here we can enable automatic brightness and manual. And of course, this is how you guys can do that. It's pretty simple. Now if you do not want it, then simply tap on the switch back, but remember to change your brightness after it, because it will probably be very high. Now what you guys can do as a last resort is check for software updates. So go over to settings, and in those settings you guys want to scroll down to system updates. Now tap check for updates, and everything looks good for me, but if you have an option to install the latest version, make sure to do that. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.